Let's take a look at how we'll handle the distribution equipment or switchgear within the context of the mechanical electrical productivity pack. Please take a look at the previous video on the utility transformer for additional pertinent information. So we'll be using the sample project as the basis for this demonstration. If we select a few items here and use Revit's selection box command, we can see a nice 3D view of what we'll be talking about. So we have the distribution equipment. If we select this main section family, we'll notice that we can override the clearance above the piece of equipment. So if we wanted to have just 2 feet clear maintained, we could type in that manual override and we see that happens in the 3D geometry. You can see we have 3 separate families to be able to properly represent what we need for this particular sample project. There's the bus connection family, the main section, and the distribution section. And of course you could have multiple distribution sections such as SWBD, D2, D3. So in this case we have one distribution section. Per the user guide, you'll select each of these and enter the appropriate information such as distribution system, number of poles, nominal voltage. The other thing that needs to be done is the panel schedule is created for each one of these. So I'll just copy these off to the side. So when we select the bus connection, when we go to create a panel schedule, we would select the panel schedule called switchboard footer or distribution footer, depending on what type of equipment you're working with. Similarly, for the main section, the template that you would choose is either switchboard main or distribution main. And then for the distribution sections, the panel schedule template that you would select is switchboard distribution. We'll delete those, and then basically what you do is you take those 3 panel schedules, which are also appearing in the project browser under the panel schedule section. So main switchboard, distribution section 1, and then the main switchboard summary, which is based on the bus connection family. Those 3 panel schedules are composed together on a sheet to appear as one schedule. And you can see there are indeed 3 separate schedules, but together convey the information that we would want in the construction documents for this particular switchboard. Of course, as the distribution section grows, or if multiple distribution sections are used, those would have to be placed appropriately, and the load summary section may have to be manually moved down as this section grows or additional sections are added.